Welcome to User Video Guide 04, Groups. Now that we have our thresholds set and notifications configured, and also some users, we can now create our customers, or groups as we call them. The videos regarding groups will be over 3 sessions, because there are various ways to set up groups. Companies might have branches, offices elsewhere, remote sites, or even a group of companies. So you can configure the groups to suit that format and layout. This first part 1, is just a simple single group, one company. So we go to group filter, we make sure we're at the top level. As we have no groups, we are already at the top level. This will change as we add groups. We then go to settings, group settings, and select add child group on the general informations tab, which is selected by default. Give it a name of our customer and click save and go to group. We're now at the group level called customer 1, and if I check our group filter, we're starting to see a folder structure which will grow as we add more groups or customers. This information you can fill in, it's arbitrary, you don't have to, but you may want to put notes or information or descriptions if you wish. The important bit is the scan settings. We need to add a scan schedule. This creates the agent for this group. You've got to have at least one scan schedule created. You can have more if you wish, but you need one. So we click add scan schedule. Give it a name, daily scan. And the default's Monday to Friday at a random time the system generates. In this case, it's 7 minutes past 10 in the morning. So on each of those days at this time, the agent will scan for devices, discovering new ones, existing ones, and obviously identifying any that may be missing from the previous scan the previous day. It will also take meter readings of all the devices. The other parameters are every 60 minutes it will scan the consumable levels of all devices, and every 20 minutes scan the status of all devices if there's an error or whatever message. Once you're happy with that, you hit the save button, and then we hit the save settings button. So now we've created the group and we have an agent. We will cover the agent in more details in the installation video. To add another customer, we just repeat the process. We go to group filter, we make sure we're at the top level as we've got some subgroups now. Then settings, group settings, but we're already still at that level, so we don't need to do that, but you can, just to make sure that you're at the right spot. General information tab is highlighted by default when you do that. We add a child group and we add our second customer. Once that's done, scan settings, add a scan schedule, give it a name. This time Monday to Friday, and the random time is 20 to 12. You can change these times if you wish, but the random time should be okay. The only time you might want to consider changing it is that if you put the agent on a computer and the person doesn't start till 12 o'clock, then you won't get meter readings, or the machines won't be discovered, because this scan only occurs at 20 to 12. So Monday to Friday, 20 to 12, discovery and taking meter readings. The consumables is 60 minutes again, status 20. Again, you can change all these are the defaults. We hit save and save settings. We've now created 2 customers and we can now see the folder structure expanding. This will grow as you add more groups, i.e. customers. Thank you for watching.